Now, you know that moment, blank page, cursor blinking, no design, no plan, no idea where to start on a web design project? Well, WordPress.com now has an AI website builder, and I wanted to know if I could actually solve that problem. Not the marketing version of solved, not the demo reel. I mean, if I sit down with nothing and just describe what I actually want, what will I actually get? Because I think that that is the real test. Anyone can make a tool look good in a polished demo. The question is, what happens when a real person with a vague brief sits down and uses it? So that's what I did. I gave it a vague brief, and I'm going to show you everything, the process, the output, and whether it's actually worth your time. And I think you'll be surprised. Check this out. Okay, quick context, WordPress.com has built an AI website builder directly on their platform. You don't need to install anything, you don't need a plugin. You go to WordPress.com, start a conversation with the AI, and together you build a site. You describe what your site is about, who it's for, and what you want it to do. The AI takes that and starts generating pages, layouts, text, and images, which you then shape and steer, all in real time. You watch it happen. Now, the important bit is, and this is what separates it from a lot of AI tools out there, and that is everything is built with native WordPress blocks. There's no proprietary format, there's no page builder that you're locked into, it's actual WordPress. Which means you can edit everything afterwards using the standard WordPress block editor, the same way that you would edit any WordPress site. Now, it's free to build, you go through the process, see what you get, make changes. But to take it live and put it on the internet, you need a WordPress.com plan, a personal, premium, or business plan. That's the deal. But we already know that you can start a plan from as little as a cup of coffee per month. I'll leave a video link up there. Right, so let me walk you through exactly what happens. You start describing your site. And to be clear, I didn't write some carefully crafted prompt here. I just typed what came to mind. Well, I dictated in a few sentences about what the site is, who it's for, and what it needs to do. The AI came back with questions, so it's not a one-shot thing where you type something and pray, it's a conversation. It asks you about the name of your site and the tagline, you guide it, you refine it together, and watch the site take shape. It's incredible and good fun. The next bit is what matters to those people who get that creative block or freeze at the starting line. You're not daydreaming or making decisions in a vacuum. You're reacting to suggestions with inspiration. You can pick from options given or interact and add your own ideas. Answering questions with yes or no, or add your own updates. That's kind of the vibe. Now, that's a completely different experience, starting on a blank page or on a blank editor wondering where do I begin. Then it starts to build based on your direction. You can see pages appearing, sections forming, text being written, images being placed. It's not instant, it takes a few minutes, but you can see it working through your brief in real time. So here's the output. Let's take an honest look. So first impressions, it looks like a real website. It's not a holding page or a wireframe, it's an actual home page, content sections, proper typography, and images that relate to what I described. The layout decisions are sensible, there's a clear hierarchy, the text isn't just lorem ipsum, it's written copy based on what I told it about the site. Is it perfect copy? No. You'll probably want to rewrite it in your own voice, but it's structured correctly and it gives you something to edit rather than something to write from scratch. The images are AI generated and they're decent enough. They match the theme, they're not going to win awards, but they fill the space properly and they give you a site with a finished feel. You can always swap them out later with your own photos. And we're not done yet. Although the website is built at this point, if you're not quite happy, you can adjust things with the AI. You can change colors, page layouts, add new fonts and new pages. It even leaves the build open by suggesting you choose the option that asks, what else can you do? And that is a nice little opening suggestion, don't you think? Now, there are areas that might not feel perfect first time, and they may fall short. Some spacing choices might feel off, a few sections could be reordered for better flow, and the color palette, while coherent, might not match your exact brand. These are all things that you can tweak, and because it's native WordPress blocks, as you know from watching all of my other videos, tweaking blocks is pretty straightforward. So I wasn't fully happy with the color palette, so I made some suggestions and the AI came back with multiple color palettes for me to choose from. Then I wanted to see a different page layout. It didn't just give me one different page layout, it gave me a few options to choose from. So after browsing through them, I decided to actually go back to option 1 and just change some specific sections of the site. Then I chose to change the font, specifically requesting a font style that I liked, sans serif, and boom, it gave me multiple options to choose from. Just make a decision or a selection and you can see the site updating in real time. You can simply toggle them until you stumble across something you like. Just wild. Then I asked it to design a layout for my future single post template where I want the featured image, title, content, etc. Again, it questioned my vague request, so I gave it a little bit more guidance. And because it's built in the block editor, you can even test all device views on the fly. It's pretty incredible. Once I shut down the AI, I was immediately thrown into the site editor. So I started snooping around the patterns, the templates, and I quickly realized I had a gazillion options to play with. I wasn't expecting that. While nothing was perfect right out of the box, the sheer variety provided a very solid starting point for any project. And that single post template we built together, you can open it up, or any template for that matter, and get help from the AI on the fly directly in the block editor. Think of it this way, the AI got me about 70 to 80% of the way to a finished site in minutes. The remaining 20 to 30% is your content, your brand details, and your preference. But that first 70%, that's the hardest part. That's the creative block blank page problem solved. And if this isn't enough, it doesn't stop there. The AI doesn't just help you build the site and walk away. Once your site is live, there's an AI assistant built right into the WordPress editor. If you're new to WordPress, ask it how to do things, how to add pages, change menus, update your homepage. You're not left on your own trying to figure out a dashboard you've never seen before. If you're an experienced WordPress user, use it to refine your content, generate images in any style, and keep building without leaving the dashboard. So the AI website builder gets you started, the AI assistant keeps you going. It's a genuine end-to-end setup. Build, manage, create content, generate images, all within WordPress.com with you in control at every step. Let's be specific about who benefits from this. If you've never built a WordPress site before and the whole thing feels overwhelming, this removes the biggest barrier. You don't need to understand themes, layouts, or settings. You just describe what you want. If you're a small business owner who'd normally use a freelancer, you get a solid first version without the cost or the weight. You can refine it yourself, and if you need professional help later, you've got a real WordPress site that they can work with. And if you're a creator who wants a home for your content outside of social media, this gives you a site that reflects your brief without needing design skills to get you there. The through line of all of this is the same. You're not starting from nothing. You're starting from something the AI built based on your words. And that changes the entire experience. So here's where we've landed. WordPress.com has an AI website builder that's genuinely useful. You describe your site in a conversation and the AI helps you build it using real WordPress blocks, and you get a working site that you can edit and publish. It's free to build and experiment with. You need a plan to go live. The output is a solid starting point. Not a finished product, but a real foundation that saves you the hardest part of the process. If you've ever been stuck at that starting line, whether it's your first site or 15th, 100th site, try it. Give it a few sentences about what you need, see what it comes back with. It might surprise you. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you found this video insightful or useful in any way, please do give it a like as it helps others to find this content. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And if you want to see something really interesting, I reckon you should check out this video right here.